Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig. This wig was sent to me from Myfirstwig. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links in the description box. This wig is in the style 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗀𝗋𝗋 and this is a 13x6 lace front wig. The density is 130%. The length is 14 inches. The hair texture is silky. The hair color is same as picture. And this wig was created using air lace. This wig comes ready to wear and it's from their Pre-Max wig line. The knots are pre-bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. The hair is pre-styled. And the lace is pre-cut. The cap construction features 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. So Myfirstwig has upgraded their wig caps and they now fit more snugly onto your forehead, making their wig caps perfect to be worn glueless. Here's an example of their old wig caps versus their new ones. As you can see, the old wig cap is kind of sticking off where the hairline and the wig meets. And the new cap construction tightly hugs your forehead and lays flatter. It contours to your forehead. And here's how the old wig cap looks. Notice the gapping of the lace where my hairline is. And this is the new cap construction. Look at where my hairline is. You can see how flat the lace is. It curves and clings to your forehead. Okay, so here's how the wig looks on a mannequin head straight out of the package. It is a 13x6 cap construction, so you get a full 6 inches of parting from your forehead on back. And you also get very deep parting on the sides, so you can switch up your hairstyles often. So the first thing that I'm going to do is tint the lace. I am grabbing 2 different shades. The first one is the color of my foundation, and I'm going to spray that along the underside of lace where my hairline is. The second is the color of my scalp, and I'm going to spray that on the inner portion of the lace frontal on the underside of lace. I'm doing 2 layers of each shade of lace tint. So now that the lace is a perfect color match for my complexion, I'm going to start styling the wig. I'm grabbing this hair wax stick from 𝗙𝗂𝗂 and applying it to the hairline. I'm using my pressing comb to smooth that product through the hair. This is going to mold and shape that part and make sure that everything is in place for the next step. So now I'm just going to grab BioSilk's Silk Therapy Hair Serum, apply a small amount to the hair, comb that product through the hair, and then in small sections, I am going to use my flat iron to flat iron each section. If you have made it this far into the video, hashtag #AirLace in the comment section. Okay, so I'm just going to try the wig on first and see what we are working with. Y'all, look how good this wig looks. And I didn't even have to do anything to it. I'm really loving their new cap construction. Although I can pass with wearing it like this, the ear tabs are not like secured down onto my head. Depending on how you style the wig, you could just leave it that way. Just adjust the elastic band in the back and adjust the adjustable straps. Now the ear tabs are longer than where my ears are, as you can see. So the best thing to do in this situation would be to use your comb part where your ear is at the top and then take the wig off and actually cut the lace so that it is more of a custom fit for you. But I am going to skip that step today because it is a bob wig and I'm not really like wearing it like, you know, in a ponytail or doing a flip over. So I think I'll be fine. The cap construction that they have recently come out with on their wigs is such a game changer. I love the fit of the wig so much because of course I did not glue it down. Look y'all, look how good that looks though. Now I have a very low hairline and the wig would have to be like back here because that's where the start of my forehead is in the middle, and then the sides come down. So now I'm just going to grab Wonder Lace Bond and my blow dryer, and I am only using the adhesive on the ear tabs because they are kind of a little bit too long, and everything else is going to be glueless. Doing the same thing on this side. And then off camera, I'm just going to add just a small amount of baby hairs. Baby hairs are always optional, you guys. Especially with the wigs from Myfirstwig, you do not have to add baby hairs if you don't want to. So here's the first look. I did decide to do a middle part for you guys to see how that would look. I'm going to show you how it looks in the sunlight as well as how it looks in artificial lighting. I really like the color of this hair. I think it's perfect for fall and also for winter. It'll also do great in the summertime as well. I love the auburn highlights and I love the fact that it is a bob length so you don't have to worry about having super long hair in the winter. Yes, I think this wig will be super cute and like a half up, half down hairstyle. Just so many different things you could do with this wig. Then after that, I'm going to show you a side part or like a flip over so you guys can get some inspiration if you're interested in this wig. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to this wig worn in this video from Myfirstwig down below in the description box. So check down below for more information. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗁𝗲. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
It's 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗁𝗲. Yeah, that's right. It's 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗁𝗲.